With the Haitian revolutions, no slave master could sleep comfortably in his bed. No matter where he was. And we know this by looking at the plantation records, as I have done in the South, etc., etc. Go in, those of you who come from the island, those of you who come from the little country towns and places in the South, go down to the courthouses and go and get them ledger books out. They're there. Because up until recently, everything was kept in them ledgers, like them books that when you buy stuff on time. And everything, every 10 years they got, and you look in the period between 1792 and 1834, and all you see is deposition after deposition after deposition, where some slave master is coming into town or to the county courthouse, deponing that what he had to do was to take his gun out from under his pillow and kill some slave in his bedroom. Don't take my word for it.